Hey there, I'm Maja Faber. I'm a surface pattern designer who have created more than 1,000 patterns in Procreate so far. I love to explore new ways of creating interesting patterns, and in this class I will teach you my newest discovery, how to create symmetric patterns in Procreate. At a first glance, symmetrical patterns can make you believe that they are very complicated to create, but in this class I will show you my techniques that will make it all feel super fun, easy and exciting. After watching this class, you will be able to create all kinds of symmetric patterns in Procreate that you can use for all sorts of purposes. We will explore how to use the Symmetry tool to create 3 different symmetric patterns. I will show you how to set up your files so that you can recolor your patterns to as many color variations as you wish. And we will go through how to create a pattern template that you can use for all sorts of patterns in the future. To take this class, you need to have some basic understanding of how to use Procreate. You don't, however, need any experience in creating patterns in Procreate, as I will go through all that you need to know to create a symmetric pattern from sketch to finished pattern tile in this class. Before we start, I just want to mention that I've included a bunch of freebies in this class, and who doesn't love freebies? So there's 2 free premium Procreate brushes from me and my husband's brand Faber company, and 1 free Procreate color palette, so that you can use the same brushes and colors as me if you wish for a smooth learning experience. If you like our brushes, you can find all of our full brush sets available to buy on my website majafaber.com/shop. I've also included 2 free guideline templates that we will use to make our patterns well balanced. More about that later on in class. With all of this said, let's dive into class and start to create our symmetric patterns.